Hi everyone! Do you play strategy games like Warhammer, Dungeons & Dragons, or card games that require dice? If so, you're in the right place. Today, I'm excited to show you how to create your very own unique dice. Having a personal set of dice that matches your army, quest, or special occasion adds a unique flair to your gaming experience, just like painting your miniatures does. In this video, I will guide you through the process of making resin dice, and you'll discover that you can make your own one-of-a-kind set for under $15. You will be surprised how easy and fast you can have your own unique dice. Supplies needed: mica powder for color, a bottle of UV resin and UV lights. And the most important item is the dice mold. This mold makes 7 dice. It has a top, and I bought it on Amazon. Work in a clean, well-lit, well-ventilated area. Step-by-step process. Prepare the mold. Start by cleaning your dice mold. Add a tiny bit of resin to each chamber to eliminate any bottom bubbles. Add color. Next, add your mica powder or color to each chamber. Feel free to get creative with your color choices. Fill the mold. Fill each chamber nearly to the top, leaving a little bit of room to stir. Using warm resin can help reduce bubbles. Now mix each chamber. Stir resin and mica using a toothpick. Top off the chambers. Fill each chamber to the very top. Gently push any remaining bubbles out from under the edges. Create a bump. I like to slightly overfill each chamber, which creates a small bump. This will help in the later stages. Final bubble removal. Wait about 5 minutes for any bubbles to rise, and then pop them using a small torch. Secure the mold top. Now it's time to put the top on the mold. Line up the tabs and push down from the center outward to ensure all air bubbles are expelled. Make sure the top is securely in place. Cure the resin. Since we're using UV resin, place the UV lights on the mold for at least 4 minutes. Then flip the mold and do another 4 minutes on the bottom. Cooling time. After curing, the mold will be hot. Be cautious when touching it. Let it cool for at least 20 minutes. Remove the mold top. Carefully peel off the top of the mold. At this stage, I like to shine UV lights directly on each chamber for an additional 2 minutes to ensure complete exposure. Demold the dice. Take out the dice from the mold and let them sit out. I prefer to put the UV lights on them for a few more minutes to ensure every surface is fully cured. If they feel sticky, they may need longer exposure. Trim excess resin. Gently remove any excess resin from the dice. The 20-sided and 8-sided dice will have a ring that snaps off easily. Rinse the dice with cool water and mild soap, then let them dry. And voila, you're finished. Congratulations! You've now created your very own completely unique set of dice. This mold produces 2 polyhedral dice, 3 diamond shapes, a cube, and a pyramid, ensuring you have the appropriate roll counts for any game you play. And now that you know how to make them, you can create as many as you like. In my next video, I will show you how to paint numbers on your new dice in just a few minutes, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY tutorials. Happy gaming! Want to see more? Just click one of these playlists. Thanks for watching.